Welcome to the heart of the Amazon, Manaus, a city teeming with over 2 million people and brimming with fascinating facts. Immerse yourself in a cultural melting pot where the Amazon Theater, a grand opera house, stands as a symbol of the city's rubber boom era. You'll find the meeting of the waters, a natural spectacle where two rivers run side by side, never mixing. And let's not forget the indigenous tribes whose history and customs continue to shape the city's identity. Now prepare for the peculiar. Manaus is home to the only bridge in the world that crosses a rainforest, the Rio Negro Bridge. It also hosts the world's largest floating Christmas tree. And if that's not strange enough, the city is so remote it's only accessible by boat or plane. What a city, right? Follow the adventure on Instagram at Mr.Gurgel's. Manaus, a city like no other.